In the serenade of the digital age, a symphony began that redefined entertainment: the advent of internet streaming. Imagine a realm where video content was once tethered to physical media and traditional broadcasts. The inception of streaming was marked by both enthusiasm and technological constraints, with buffering symbolizing the nascent stage of internet technologies. Early streaming platforms set forth on a path brimming with challenges. Their determination to navigate these obstacles laid the foundations for today's streaming culture. They were driven by the potential of streaming to democratize content access, available to anyone, at any time, transcending geographical boundaries. As we progress, you'll discover how this vision has been realized and exceeded, evolving into a multifaceted landscape of streaming platforms, live streaming, and video on demand services that captivate audiences globally. Transitioning from the origins of internet streaming to the vibrant present, we're engulfed in a rich array of streaming platforms. Giants like Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video revolutionize media consumption, while Twitch and YouTube Live introduce interactive, real-time audience engagement. The uniqueness in live streaming, as opposed to video on demand, lies in its immediacy and the distinctive viewer interactions it facilitates. Technological strides in data compression, bandwidth, and cloud delivery have streamlined streaming, making it globally accessible and transforming content into an unrestricted sovereign. This era is not solely about technological breakthroughs, but signifies a revolution in storytelling, weaving connectivity and community into the narrative. This evolution transcends entertainment, reshaping education, corporate communication, and even political discourse. We stand on the brink of further innovations, poised to immerse and involve audiences in unprecedented ways. As our journey through the evolution of internet streaming reaches the present threshold, the horizon teems with emerging technologies ready to usher in a new era. Though each advancement heralds excitement, it also brings the specter of regulatory challenges, molding the future landscape of content consumption. Imagine immersive virtual reality streams or concerts via augmented reality seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, technological marvels soon to be realities. However, the integration of these advancements will provoke regulatory scrutiny. How we tackle these hurdles will shape not only our viewing experiences, but also the essence of content interaction. The narrative of content consumption is continuously evolving, promising a future where the lines between creator and viewer blur, fostering a more interactive, immersive experience. As we look forward to the next chapter, let's welcome the advancements that promise to enrich our lives, connecting us to stories and insights from across the globe.